So what do you do with a dining table that is too big, too heavy, and it has no place in your house? Well, if you're me, you would turn it into a giant mirror that now greets Airbnb guests in style. Hi, I'm Christine, and today I am sharing how one donated table became not just one, but two unique decor pieces that added major sparkle to our Airbnb and personal space. If you've been following my house hacking journey, where we are transforming our home into an Airbnb suite, one project at a time, you'll love this behind the scenes DIY. So here is my backstory. A friend kindly donated this 6-seater glass dining table. Beautiful? Yes. Functional for us? Not even close. We didn't have the space for it, but I also couldn't bear to throw it out. It had 2 glass layers, one with a black border and the other completely black. Naturally, I did what any DIY lover would do. I stared at it for weeks, thinking, what can I turn you into? Right? Eventually, inspiration struck. I heard about a spray that could turn glass into a mirror. Sounds magical, right? Well, let's say the result was more blurry spaceship portal than a mirror. But hey, we adapt, right? We are DIYers, right? So I remembered I had some Dollar Tree mirrors, 8 of them actually. I popped them out of their frames and glued them onto the tabletop. And voila! We had something that finally started to look like a statement piece. Now, because I can't resist sparkle, I mixed mud podge with glitter and filled the gaps between the mirrors. The black glass border, already stunning. But I wanted more drama. You know, we DIYers, we want drama. So I taped off diamond patterns and sprayed them silver. Then added rhinestones to each diamond for that extra pop. It's now one of my favorite features in the hallway, right up against the partition wall that separates the Airbnb suite from the rest of the house. And let me tell you, guests know this. They love it. Of course, it's incredibly heavy. So I crafted a little cube from scrap wood, wrapped it in silver contact paper, and tapped it on the floor to keep the whole thing from slipping. Secure and stylish. And remember that second glass layer from the table? It became wall art on our side of the house. I simply arranged hexagonal mirrors, frames included this time. I arranged them into a pattern over the black base. Simple, elegant, and a fun conversation starter when people ask, wait, is that a dining table? If this video has sparked your creativity or made you smile, I would love for you to join me on the full journey. I am documenting how we are slowly flipping our home into an Airbnb. One room, one project, one big idea at a time. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next transformation, especially if you love DIY with purpose. And if you are ever traveling through Idaho and need a beautiful, designed, soul-filled place to stay, check out my Airbnb listings in the description below. Who knows? You might sleep under one of these DIY pieces. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. God bless you.